Audio Jungle.
This session is OBIE. So if you go for OBIE, there is a new before going OBIE, there should be a knowledge on the Oracle, SQL Plus, and PLSQL, and this is the basic knowledge is required for to learn OBIE. And OBIE it's nothing but it's reporting tools. It is main purpose is for management purpose or analysis the records, analysis the data, and viewing the reports on different way of the reports is appearance quality of the reports. So different purpose they are using the OBIE. So now the market a lot of competitors come for a relevant OBIE. Oracle report is there and SAP report is there and different kind of report is there. Even big data, new technologies come for a different analysis purpose of the data. And even though it's OBIE, it's more important because of it is a Oracle product. It's taken initially it was in the Siebel Analytics, then it was OBIE 11 10G. Then Oracle is taken ownership of that Siebel. Then he has developed the OBIE 11G, and it's separated as a dashboard reports. So I am giving the introductions of the before starting the OBIE. You have to learn the data warehousing. So data warehousing is next step of the before learning to the OBIE. Initially, you should record the Oracle PLSQL knowledge. If you have Oracle and PLSQL, then it will be very good idea to learn easily, and you can develop the reports and customize the reports. So different purpose of you can use it. So the data warehouse, I'm showing the screen. So data warehouse is nothing but the warehouse of the data. It is a huge data you can store in the data warehouse. It is data warehouse is it will be retrieved from the data from the source system. Actually, the flow comes from the source system. Then it will come to that staging area. Then it will come to that data warehouse table. Then it will goes to that OBIE. So initially the data will be the source system. Source system is nothing but either a Siebel application or SAP or any other application. It will take as a source system. So why we are going for OBIE? So because of that, it is easily to analyze the data. If you go for the source system like a Siebel or a transactional system, like a Siebel, SAP or any other system, it's very difficult to analyze the data because of the day-to-day life data will be stored it. So yeah, the source system, it is a Siebel or SAP. It is why we cannot use that report analysis on the source system, because of it is a transactional system. It is normalized. It is relations will be more, and it is a complex relations will be in that transactional system, and it is a redundancy will be there. So it is very difficult to analyze the data. So for that purpose, we are going for the data warehousing and OBIE tools. So here is data warehouses will be main purpose is a collection of data. So data warehouse is consists of the collection of data mart. So data mart is nothing but a data. So each collection of the data mart is nothing but a in an organization. Different department will be there, like sales department, HR department, and finance department. So different department will be there. So the collection of department is an organization like that. So if you go for data warehouse, is a collection of data mart. So data mart is nothing but each department, like sales as I told. So in that, from the source system, we have to transfer the data to the data warehouse table. Data warehouse table how will be transferred? Using the ETL tools like Informatica or now it's a newly developed ETL tools is a ODI, is a Oracle Data Integrator. So these tools will be used to transformation of the data from the source system to the data warehouse and tables. From the data warehouse and tables, you can pull the data into OBIE as a schema, you can create you can export the data and import it into the OBIE tools, and you can create it. So the data warehouse, so initially you have to create it is unstructured data. You have to create a schema, like in the data warehouse tables. There is a lot of schema is available, like star schema and snowflake schema. So different schema is available for formatting the data, and the structure format it will make it. So it will be clear that it will be clear to analyze it will easily to analyze the data using the schema. If it is a schema format only, then OBIE reports you can generate it, and you can create a repository, and you can do the customization that OBIE. I will show the architecture. So I told you this. Uh, First, you have to understand the data warehousing concept. Then only you will go for OBIE. So in the data warehousing, there is a modeling is there. That is a dimensional modeling. So dimensional modeling is why this like a data will be structured in the form. I told you the star schema and snowflake schema. It is a collection of dimension and fact tables. So dimension and fact tables. So dimension is nothing but uh, it is a collection of attributes. It does not contain a measurable value. And fact tables is it contains a numeric value. It is a measurable column will be in that it's to in the fact tables. So I told you that there is a star schema. Star schema, it's nothing but one fact table is surrounded by a dimension table is called a star schema. I told you that another one is a schema is a snowflake schema. Snowflake schema is nothing but extensions of the dimension table is a snowflake schema. So like that you have to you have a lot of concept is there in the data warehousing table, data warehousing. You have to understand the concept, then only you can go for OBIE. According to the OBIE, it is a consists of three module is there. One is the administration module. Administration module, it's nothing but a repository. You are suppose you are going to do that customizations. So I told you the data warehousing, dimension table, star schema, everything will be customized in the repository. It is in that administration consists of there is a three layer. There is a physical layer, business model layer, and a presentation layer. So another one is a model you have to understand that interface model. So interface model is consists of that using the interface model you can deploy the repository, and you can monitor the servers, components. So everything you can start up the services, you stop the services, you can check the logs, everything will be interface model. So another one is a console model. So console is nothing but you can see the web logic, and user role and responsibility, LDAP authentications, security, all these will be defined in the console model. So this is architecture will be consists of the I told you there is a administration model, and then managed server. Managed server is a consists of the BA publisher and Oracle, MS Office, and presentation services. So these are all the will be consists of managed server, and administration server. I told you that is uh, administration repository model and middleware control and administration console. So these are will be administration server will be included. So another one, sir, there is a BA server. So BA server consists of the presentation layer and BA server, BA scheduler, and BA presentation server. All this will be component BA server or BA system components. So another one component is the OPMN, that is a Oracle Process Monitor. So it is a main services. It is act as a services. So whenever if you go for start the OBIEE service, everything the OPMN is should be started. So it is a basic services. It will indicate that BA server is up and running, and all the other components are running. This architecture and then data origin concept.
Yeah,
Then
yes.
So these are the things you should understand that OBIEE
Okay.
part.
Okay, fine.
So if there is a content will be there. So the content, based on the content, so we can go, if it is based on the contents, we can go step by step. What are the architecture? What are the repository model? What is it? OBIEE contents, and then so each component, each object levels, we can explain that. So then there is a separate lesson will be there. So each one I can take a theory classes and I can give practical, and you can do that practical
Oh,
process
okay.
either online, or you can do that offline also.
Okay. Mm. You are having course
Yeah.
content, no,
So
Ramesh?
pardon me.
You are having course content also, no, regarding this?
Yeah, I am having a course content, and course contents and materials and installations
Okay.
software will be provided.
Please show us that course content, whatever you are having.
Pardon me.
Can you please show us whatever you are having actually?
Source content, as I told you, that is one I can give that, I can mail to you. So
Okay.
source contents is nothing but each initially it will come that architecture level,
Hmm.
and then installations, and then
Okay.
architecture.
Okay.
So then it will go for repository. So in the repository it will go to each component level. What is physical, from the physical layer, what is the connection port, what is that what is the import process, what is that aliases, what is the object. So each object level will be explained. Then
Okay.
business model, then presentation layer.
Okay.
So and then so the lot of different activity will be there, task activity.
Okay.
Each one, how is the um, how it will be make the relationship, how to make it the mapping, how to the schema, how it will be created. So all this it will be shown in the each layer of that repository. So
Mm-hmm.
then you can go for that dashboard and apps there. So in the dashboard you can see that all the component on object will be explained. What is the dashboard, what is the report, how to create a new report, what
Okay.
is the pages, what is the prompt. So
Mm-hmm.
all these will be filters. So everything will be included in the dashboard and answers.